Students, I am going to start exercise 3.6 related with the chapter number 3rd, pair of linear equations in two variables. Solve the following pair of linear equations. Solve the following pairs of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. First part is 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 3y equal to 2 and 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 2y equal to 13 by 6. These equations are not linear. Therefore, first of all, we will change these equations into linear. We see I am putting 1 upon x equal to u and 1 upon y equal to v. Then above equations reduces into the above equations reduces into 1 upon 2x. We can write 1 upon 2x equal to 1 upon 2x equal to 1 upon 2 into 1 upon x. Numerator, numerator, denominator, denominator. 1 ja 1, 2x. 1 upon 2x can be written as 1 upon 2 into 1 upon x. Here I am putting on the place of 1 upon x equal to u. So 1 upon 2 u. 1 upon 2x will be 1 upon 2u. 1 upon 2u. Similarly, I am putting on the place of 1 upon y equal to v. Therefore, 1 upon 3rd, 1 upon 3 v equal to 2. And second equation reduces into v upon 1 upon 3 u plus 1 upon 2 v equal to 13 by 6. One upon 2u plus 1 upon 3v equal to 2. On multiplying by 6 on both sides. Therefore, 6 into 1 upon 2u plus 6 into 1 upon 3v equal to 6 into 2. 2 3 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6. 3u remaining term are 3u plus 2v equal to 6 2 ja 12. Equation number 1. Similarly, 1 upon 3u plus 1 upon 2v equal to 13 by 6 will be 6 into 1 upon 3u plus 6 into 1 upon 2v equal to 6 into 13 by 6. 6 6 cancel. 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6, 2 1 जा 2, 2 3 जा 6, 2u plus 3v equal to 30. This is equation number 2. Now on solving these equations, please take screenshot. Students please take screenshot. Now on solving these equations 1 and 2, 3u plus 2v equal to 12, and equation number 2, 2u plus 3v equal to 30. First of all, equating the coefficient of u from these equations. So multiply above equation by 2 and below equation third. Therefore 2 3 जा 6u plus 2 2 जा 4v equal to 12 2 जा 24. Similarly, equation number 2 will be 3 2 जा 6u plus 3 3 जा 9v equal to 3 3 जा 9, 3 1 जा 3, 13 3 जा 39. This is equation number third and this equation number 4. On subtracting minus cancel, plus 4v minus 9v minus 5v equal to 9 minus 4, 5, 3 minus 2, 1. With negative sign, minus cancel from both sides, remaining term 5v equal to 15, v equal to 15 upon 5, 5 1 जा 5, 5 3 जा 15, v equal to 3. Now we will put the value of v in the equation number third, fourth or 1 and 2. On putting the value of v in equation number 1, on putting the value of v in equation number third, otherwise 4, otherwise equation 1. I am putting the value of v in equation number third. Equation third is 6u plus 4v equal to 24. 6u plus 4 into 3 equal to 24. 6u plus 12, 4 3 जा 12 equal to 24. 24. On separating variables and constants, 6u equal to 24 minus 12. 6u equal to 12. u equal to 12 upon 6. 6 1 जा 6, 6 2 जा 12. u equal to 2. Now we will put these values u and v in equation number on putting these values of u and v in following equations. 1 upon x equal to u. I am writing in the corner. Please look. 1 upon x equal to u. U here 2. So I am putting u equal to 2. 1 upon x equal to 2. On cross multiplying, we will receive 2x equal to 1. X equal to 1 upon 2. Similarly, v equal to 3. V equal to 1 upon x, 1 upon y, 1 upon y equal to 3. On cross multiplying, 3y equal to 1, y equal to 1 upon 3. Answer is, these are answers. X equal to 1 upon 2 and y equal to 1 upon 3. Please take a screenshot. Your second question, students. Second question, students. Two upon root x. This is important question. 2 upon root x plus 3 upon root y equal to 2. And second equation, 4 upon root x, and second equation is 4 upon root x minus 9 upon root y equal to minus 1. First of all, we take 1 upon root x equal to u and 1 upon root y equal to v. So we can write, let 1 upon root x equal to u and 1 upon root y equal to v. Therefore, above pairs reduce into linear form. 2 upon root x plus 3 upon root y equal to 2. 2 upon root x plus 3 upon root y equal to 2. And second equation is 4 upon root x minus 9 upon root y equal to minus 1. We assume here 1 upon root x equal to u and 1 upon root y equal to v. Then above equations reduces into, then on putting these values in above equations. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. On putting these values in above equations, on putting these values from 1 and 2, on putting these values from 1 and 2 in above equations. 2 upon root x, 2 upon root x, 2u plus 3 upon root y, 3v equal to 2, and 4 upon root x, 4u minus 9v equal to minus 1. This is question number 3rd. This is question number 4. On solving equations 3 and 4, equation 3rd multiply by 2 minus equation 4. Equation 3rd multiply by 2. 2 2 ja 4u plus 2 3 ja 6v equal 2 2 ja 4 minus equation 4. Equation 4 is 4u minus 9v equal to minus 1. On subtracting these equations, we will receive plus 4u here plus minus plus minus plus. On subtracting 4u plus 4u minus, these terms will be cancelled, plus 6v plus 9v plus का 15v equal plus 4 plus 1 plus 5, v equal to 5 upon 15. 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15, v equal to 1 upon 3rd. On putting the value of v in equation 3rd, students. Equation 3rd is 2u plus 3v equal to 2. 2u plus 3 into 1 upon 3 equal to 2. 3 3 cancel. 2u equal to 2, u equal to 1. Please take a screenshot. We got u equal to 1 and v equal to 1 upon 3. First of all, we took 1 upon root x equal to u and 1 upon root y equal to v. 1 upon, since 1 upon root x equal to u and 1 upon root y equal to v. Now we will put the values of u and v, then we get 1 upon root x equal to 1. Here 1 upon root y equal to 1 upon third. On squaring 1 upon x equal to 1. On cross multiplying x equal to 1, we get x equal to 1. Similarly, on squaring both, then 1 upon y equal to 1 upon 9. On cross multiplying y equal to 9. Thus, solution of above equations are x equal to 1 and y equal to 9. Please take a screenshot. Students, we will solve part 4 of question number 1. Part 4. 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 equal to 2, and second equation 6 upon x minus 1 minus 3 upon y minus 2 equal to 1. These equations are not linear, so we will change these equations into linear. For this, first of all, we assume 1 upon x minus 1 as u and 1 upon y minus 2 as v. So I am taking here 1 upon x minus 1 equal to, let 1 upon x minus 1 equal to u and 1 upon y minus 2 equal to v. Then above equations will be changed into the linear form. Equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3, equation number 4. On putting these values of 1 upon x minus 1 and 1 upon y minus 2 in equations 1 and 2, then we get 5u plus v equal to 2. This is equation number 5. This is equation number 5. And second equation, 6u minus 3v equal to 1. This is equation number 6. This is equation number 6. We will solve these equations for u and v. So, on solving equation 5 and 6, on solving equations 5 and 6, students, equation 5 into third plus equation number 6. So 5 3 जा 15u plus 3v equal to 3 2 जा 6. Equation 6u minus 3v equal to 1 plus 3 minus 3v plus 3v minus 3v. These terms cancel. 15u plus 6u 21u equal to 6 plus 1 7. U equal to 7 upon 21. 7 1 जा 7, 7 3 जा 21. U equal to 1 upon 3. Now putting this value of u in equation number 5, then 5 into u equal to 1 upon 3. 5 into 1 upon 3 plus v equal to 2. 5 upon 3, 5 upon 3 plus v equal to 2. V equal to 2 minus 5 by 3. And subtracting 5 by 3 from 2, we will receive 3. 6 minus 5 equal to 1 upon 3, students. Please take a screenshot. We find value of u equal to 1 upon 3 and value of v equal to, since u equal to 1 upon 3 and v equal to 1 upon 3. First of all, we assume that u equal to 1 upon x minus 1. So I am putting here on the place of u 1 upon x minus 1 equal to 1 upon 3. And on the place of v, I am putting here the value of v 1 upon y minus 2 equal to 1 upon 3. Here cross multiplying by cross multiplication. We get x minus 1 equal to 3, x equal to 1 plus 3, x equal to 4, students. And v equal to 1 upon y minus 2 equal to 1 upon 3 on cross multiplying. Y minus 2 equal to 3, y equal to 2 plus 3, y equal to 5. Therefore, solution of equations will be x equal to 4 and y equal to 5. This is your answer, students.